Hello everyone, in this video we are given this basic math Olympiad question. 2 to the power 20 minus 4 is equal to what? Let's get started. 2 to the power 20 is the same as 2 to the power 10 or to the power 2 minus 4. We don't know the value, right? So from here, 2 to the power 10 is the same as 1024, then squared minus 4. Now we can write this as 1000 plus 24 all squared minus 4. Let's apply an algebraic identity, that is a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Interesting. So from here we're going to have 1000 squared plus 2 times 1000 times 24 plus 24 squared, and don't forget this negative 4. It's very important. 1000 squared is 1 million. Then 2 times 1000, that is going to be 2000, times 24, we're going to have 48,000. Then plus 24 squared is 576 minus 4. Now from here, let's go to our basic mathematical addition. We're going to have 1 million plus 48,000 plus 576. So we're going to have 675 over here. So let's first of all sum this one. So we're going to have 6, 7, 5, 8, 4, 0, 1. So this is the sum. Then we're gonna take 4 from it, so we're gonna have minus 4. So you have 6 minus 4, that is 2. Then we have 7, 5, 8, 4, 0, 1. So this is the final answer. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and see you again on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.